Hello and welcome back to my channel. Make my tour online. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe our channel and hit the bell that you're notified every time we publish our informative traveling videos. Let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to explore the destinations for those seeking unique and flavorful beverages. There's nothing quite like enjoying a delicious drink while taking in the stunning views of a beautiful location. From tropical beaches to snow-capped mountains, alcohol is a widely consumed beverage around the world and is an important part of many cultures and traditions. From wine in France to tequila in Mexico, each country has its own unique alcoholic beverage that is enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. Some countries even have specific laws and regulations in place to govern the production and consumption of alcohol. Alcohol is not only enjoyed for its taste but is also often associated with social gatherings and celebrations. It is common to toast with a drink during weddings, graduations, and other special events. However, it is important to consume alcohol responsibly and in moderation, as excessive drinking can have negative health effects and can even be dangerous. Despite the potential drawbacks, alcohol remains a popular and beloved beverage around the world. Here are 7 of the most beautiful locations around the world to enjoy a drink. Santorini, Greece. Sipping on a glass of wine while taking in the stunning views of the Aegean Sea is a must-do when visiting Santorini. The island's unique landscape and whitewashed buildings make for a picturesque backdrop. Napa Valley, California. This picturesque wine region in Northern California is famous for its vineyards and wineries. Take a tour of a local winery and enjoy a glass of your favorite wine while surrounded by stunning views of rolling hills and vineyards. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Sip on a caipirinha, Brazil's national cocktail, while taking in the stunning views of the Sugarloaf Mountain and Copacabana Beach. Rio de Janeiro's vibrant culture and beautiful scenery make it a must-visit destination. Queenstown, New Zealand. This scenic town on the shores of Lake Wakatipu is surrounded by stunning mountains and is a popular destination for adventure seekers. After a day of skiing or bungee jumping, relax with a glass of local wine or craft beer. Kyoto, Japan. Enjoy a cup of sake while surrounded by Kyoto's stunning temples and gardens. This ancient city is known for its rich culture and beautiful scenery, making it a top destination for travelers. Amalfi Coast, Italy. Sip on a limoncello, a traditional Italian liqueur, while taking in the stunning views of the Amalfi Coast. This scenic stretch of coastline is famous for its colorful buildings, steep cliffs, and sparkling blue waters. Banff National Park, Canada. Sip on a glass of local craft beer while surrounded by the stunning natural beauty of Banff National Park. From snow-capped mountains to crystal-clear lakes, this park is a paradise for nature lovers. In conclusion, these 7 locations offer some of the most beautiful and picturesque settings to enjoy a drink. Whether it's wine in Napa Valley, sake in Kyoto, or a caipirinha in Rio de Janeiro, these destinations offer unique drinking experiences with stunning views. So, next time you're traveling, be sure to enjoy a drink while taking in the beauty of these amazing locations. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.